guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating spaghetti with meat sauce. This is homemade. In the beginning of the video you'll have seen the cooking, and I'm eating some giant green beans. Now these are picked fresh from the garden and they're absolutely huge. I mean, look at the size of these. I've never seen such huge green beans. I hope you're all okay. I know we've gone down to one video a week, but obviously with my work, it's very, very hard to kind of, balance the both. I'm also on a really healthy eating plan. So I don't know if you can tell that I've lost some weight. I'm feeling really, really good, really positive. Today's a cheat meal. Well, not really, because pasta's not that cheatery. It's kind of okay. And it's all fresh, so I'm going to get into it. I'm so hungry. I'm going to pour my Coke and let's go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So let's go for the first bite, guys. Ooh. I want an epic bite. Let's go. So hot. To mix it around. Oh my god, that's gorgeous, guys. Oh my god. Feels so sinful to eat pasta. I've been really, 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 really strict. Oh my god. Shout out to my subscriber, Amber. She gave me this idea for this top knot. I've just been live. Did I say top knot? Space buns. Oh my god, this is so good! Oh my god, help me. So simple and so gorgeous. So sweet. Lovely. Such a sweet pasta sauce. You know, pasta is my staple piece here. It really is. It always has been, it always will be. Now I've used pork mince because I think pork mince is the best. So good. So amazing, guys. So good. Yum. Guys, this is just so simple. Going full now. Right. Let's go for one last bite. I'm not really twirling the pasta because there's so much. This spoon is so awkward. I'm stuffed. That was amazing, guys. So simple, so sweet. The sweetness from the brown sugar really brought it together. The pork mince is so light. I prefer it to beef. And, you know, the red pepper was so beautiful with the parmesan. It just works really, really, really well. And it's such a great dish, such a quick, easy dish. And as you can see, I've done really, really well. I'm so hungry. So thank you for joining me in this video, guys. I hope you're all okay. Please join my membership to see exclusive content. The link is in the description box if you want to. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I miss you guys every day. Thank you for joining me on this journey and, you know, for all your love and support. It really does go. It really doesn't go unnoticed, guys. It really doesn't. I love you all so much. Thank you for subscribing and loving me. And I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video.